Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and today's video is going to be a hair get ready with me, just hair only. If you guys are wondering, I have contacts and colored contacts, and I never wear colored contacts, but I have a video coming up on these a little bit later, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know when I upload a video. I'm trying to figure out what my upload schedule is going to be, but I'm thinking I'm going to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but like I said, subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notifications. But so let's get into this, details on this hair. Okay, so I am totally in love with this look, meaning how it feels to how it looks, like so voluminous. Yeah, voluminous. How it looks so voluminous. And this hair is Malaysian. Okay, it's Malaysian body wave. It's 224, it's a 22, a 20, and then an 18 lace frontal. I ended up using 3.5 bundles, or a little bit over 3.5 bundles. I tried to fit in as many bundles as I possibly could because I definitely wanted it to be very, very thick. And this feels to me like it's longer than 24 inches. It literally feels like it's 26, maybe even 28, because it goes down below my belly button. It was extremely easy to curl. I used my curling iron, I think it's like 1 1/4 inches, but if you wanted tighter curls, you would just have to use a tighter curling iron or a curling wand. But the ends of this hair is absolutely beautiful. I didn't have to trim anything. The only thing that I had to do to this hair is literally pluck and bleach the knots, and I went ahead and put the foundation or my concealer right here in the parting space, but that's literally all that I did. And yeah, I think that's about it. I want to get into the hair part of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all lovelies out in my next video. Bye.